It's action. So here we're cross multiplying. So right there you have 20 and then you have the 30. So they cross right here in this box. And then 30 and 1 cross over here. And then 20 times 2. And then 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then we add the 2 here. And you stack and add, so that's going to be 2. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. And then 6, so 672.
Now I get it.
And the next one, we got 50 times 20 right here. So remember, if we can just do 2 times 5, we get 10. And you got to add the 2 more zeros because there's a 20 and a 50. So we add the extra 2 zeros. So it's 1,000. Then we're going to do 6 times 50 because that's the next one down. So 6 times 5 is 30. And we have 1 more zero from the 50 to add. And 650s, you can check it. 650, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Done, 6. Then you add those all together. So we have to put the 1,000. There's 1,000. And then we got the 300 underneath. There we go. And then the first is 4. 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. The next row is 8 plus 2 is 10. Right? And the 1 gets carried.
How many should we answer?
Yep. And then the 1, so it's 1,404. Is that right? Is that what you got? Brody, did you get 1,404?
I didn't get that.
What'd you get?
I haven't answered the one on yet. I do the rest of the answers after, and then I write the boxes first.
Well, let's think of it this way.
Wait.
80 plus 20, right?
80.
Well, let's do it this way. 80 plus 20 is 100, right? So 80 plus 24 is 104. Plus 300 would be 404. So there's 404, and then plus 1,000 would be 1,404. Right?
Yeah.
What did I do? What did you guys do wrong? Can you figure it out? Peppy, what do you think?
I understand it now.
Okay.
I did the 20 times 50 wrong, and I put 100 instead of 1,000.
Oh, okay.
Can you do one more?
One more, ready? One more, and that's it. So we got 30 times 60 in this first box, okay? So let's just multiply the first two numbers. So 6 times 3, okay? Anyone? 6 times 3? 6 times 3. You can look on your multiplication table if you need.
18.
18, right? So we'll write 18 down. Now there's 2 zeros on the ends of the numbers, so we're going to add 2 zeros because they're 2 10s. Okay? So I'm going to put it in. Now it's 1,800. Okay? The next one we're going to do is 8 because there's 8 here and there's 60 up top. So we come across and up. It's kind of like, playing the old game Battleship. You got to go across and up and figure it out. So now this one's going to be 8 times 6. 8 times 6. I know that 8 times 6. 8 times 6, anyone? 40 what? Anybody know? 8 times 6?
48.
48. Okay. 48 plus 0 because there's a 60 there because we have to add a 0. Okay. So that's 480. Next one we got is, let's do 4 times 30 over here on the right top. So 4 times 3 I know is 12. That's an easy one, right? And there's a 0 on the 30, so we'll add 1 0. Okay. And the last one in the corner here, we have 8 over there and times 4 up top. So 8 times 4, that's your last one. 8 times 4, 32. Anyone? 8 times 4.
It's 30.
Now we're going to add all these up. I'm going to do this on the side because there's not a lot of room over there. So I'm going to do it over here, okay? And let's go 480. I always write my numbers from largest to smallest. That's how I like to organize my numbers. Okay. You can write them any way you want. It's just easier to keep them in line. Now notice I'm keeping everything so they're right in order, right? So that the ones are on the right, all the ones are on the right side, and the tens in the middle, and the hundreds next, and the thousands out there, right? So now I go 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 2 plus all zeros is 2, right? All right, the next one, 8 plus 2 I know is 10. So that's 10 plus 3. That's how I like to do that. If you can make a 10, it's the best. And then we carry 1. So now we have 8 plus 1. And I want to take the other one. I can make 10 again. 10 plus 4 is 14. And I carry the 1 again. And that's 1 plus 1 is 2. And our answer should be 2,432. Okay. All right, 2,432. So if you got that, great job. Try to do the other ones. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna.
The other ones we have to set up. It looks like.
Yeah, the other ones are gonna be. Yep. The other ones are gonna be algorithm, and we'll check on that in a second. Okay.
The other ones don't look like their algorithm though. Like on the page, you just have to set them up.
Yep. I'm gonna stop. So I'm gonna stop recording this. Okay, guys. So when I do, it'll erase everything. I think. Let's see. Oh, because that. Okay. I'm gonna have to wipe out all those. Okay. So let me do that real quick.